What's up YouTube? Today I'm working on 2007 GMC Yukon. In this episode I'm going to show you how to replace your oxygen sensor. If you have a check engine light and you have a P050 or P059, this is your oxygen sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. I'm gonna put this car on the lid and I'll show you how to fix it. So guys, to find the right sensor for this vehicle, we're gonna replace the bank 2 sensor 1. So this is your front of the vehicle and the sensor gonna be on this side, and it's gonna be there. So this is your bank 2 sensor 2 and there is your bank 1 sensor 1. So we're gonna replace that guy. So this is connector for it, we just need to take it out. So for that job I use oxygen sensor removal tool, and good ratchet. So to turn it off the sensor you may need spray some W40 and wait a little bit, and then it's gonna be easier to remove it because it's all rusted. For me, easiest way was to take 22mm socket like that and just slide between the frame and just move the sensor. Sensor is out. Just disconnect this connector. So I got a new sensor, we just need to put it back in. First, put the sensor in and then connect the connector. That way you're not gonna mess up your wires. And you just put some zip tight right here. Alright guys, that's it. Now what you need to do, you just need to take your scanner and reset your check engine light and you're good to go.